We just finished the farmer's market. It's Saturday. We got a little bit rained out at the market, but we have a 4-hour break in whatever this is happening up here. So we got a little bit of blue sky, a little bit of no good. Something's coming from this way. So we've had nothing but rain this entire trip so far. Days of sun in a row, followed by this. It has been a long 2 weeks. It's rained mostly the whole time, with a few days here and there of rain breaks. It's the 1st of May, so as children this was kind of normal, but the recent weather patterns over the last 10 years, this is very abnormal. I'm currently on the deadline of 7 days left to plant the whole field. So this will be fun.